Hey, empty your pockets, don't move. Damn. Hey, let me call the police real quick. Give me 1 second. All right, bro, hurry up. Nah, jit, tripping. 911, what's your emergency? Yeah, I'm getting robbed right now at gunpoint. I need an officer over here quick. Okay, sir, is this an urgent emergency? Yes, it's an emergency. I'm getting robbed at gunpoint. Can you send someone over here? Due to increasing gas prices, we cannot send police over there unless this is an emergency. Have you been shot? Nah. Bro, I'm about to be if y'all don't hurry up. What do gas got to do with this? Okay, sir, are you willing to throw down a $30 gas fee? Dog, you asking me for gas money. He's holding a blicky to my head. Can y'all hurry up? Okay, well, sounds like that's not an emergency. I'm gonna go ahead and hang up. Good luck. Hello? Yo! Nah, I gotta pay gas money just for help. I might as well be a criminal myself. That's crazy.